Hi, my name is Tiffany Henry and I'm the Director of Entrepreneurial Communities at the Conductor. I am thrilled to tell you about our new program, Level Up. It is a 6-week self-paced workshop that involves technical assistance videos that you watch on your own time and also a leadership roundtable Q&A with the subject matter experts that are leading the videos. So we have 6 different topics with a total of 8 videos. And so during this program, you're going to learn managing your business by the numbers. So how do we increase your business acumen? Growth strategy. How do we set mission, vision, values, and measure the success of our business? Leadership. How do we lead a team? How do we make tough decisions? Digital marketing. How do we communicate our product or service in a way that makes sense to the people in digital space? Main Street Arkansas, they are a part of this program too. They'll talk about window design, exterior building design, and the importance of downtown businesses and what they do in the community. And sales, I almost forgot sales, one of the most important one. How can we increase your sales as a small business, particularly during this time? And so you will get all of those videos to watch. You have a choice of watching it on a link, and then we have a workbook that you'll get in addition to that, and we can send that in a PDF, or we can send it in a physical copy. So we'll mail you a flash drive and print the workbook and send it off to you. You will watch those videos on your own time. You will follow along in the workbook and answer questions, and then you will have 5 different opportunities to attend these leadership roundtable discussions with the subject matter experts. So, for example, our managing director, Jeff Standridge, is the subject matter expert for managing your business by the numbers. You will watch that video on your own time, and then you will have 5 opportunities to attend a leadership roundtable with him as the guide, discussing what you watched, and he will be there to answer the questions that you have. And so in addition to that, we also have a peer-to-peer learning network. And so there's so much value from talking to people that are in the same position as you. They are entrepreneurs themselves. They either are going through the same challenges or struggles, or they have been there, they've learned from it, they have successes to share. And so the peer-to-peer learning network will be a chance for you to connect with another small business owner like yourself, where you can learn from each other and grow. And thanks to generous funding by the USDA, the entire Level Up program, including the peer-to-peer learning network, is at completely no cost. If you can't tell, I'm very excited about this program. We're going to kick it off in February, and it's going to go through the end of June. And so I hope that you join us so you can come and level up your business.